thank you, and good evening. Welcome to Who Wants to Be a Millionaire? Let's meet our next contestant, Katie Smith, from Billings, Montana. Welcome, Katie. Did you ride a horse to get here today?
Haha, no.
Well, it's good to have you here. You know the rules. You just have 12 questions away from winning the $1 million. You have 2 lifelines along the way. Phone a friend and ask the audience. Are you ready for your first question?
Yes, I am, Sadie.
Okay, let's get started to play Who Wants to Be a Millionaire? For $100, what is the name of the system that opposes the sympathetic nervous system?
Well, I remember this one from science class. It's B, parasympathetic nervous system. Final answer.
Good start, Katie. On to the next one for $500. What system does parasympathetic system belong to?
Oh, I know this one as well. That's D, the autonomic nervous system. Final answer.
Good job. On a roll to the next question for $1,000. What is another name for the parasympathetic nervous system?
A couple similar answers there, but I'm going to go with B, the craniosacral outflow. Final answer.
Your science teacher must have been a good one. On to the next question. Congratulations for $5,000. Where are all the cell bodies of the parasympathetic nervous system?
Kind of stuck between B and C here, Sadie. I think I'm going to ask the audience.
Okay, audience, cast your votes.
Well, I think the answer's C. I think we should go with C. Alright, here we go.
The vote is in. The audience voted for C. Are you going to go with it, Katie?
I think they know. C, brainstem and sacrospinal cord. Final answer.
I'm glad you went with them. Congratulations. Now to the next question. For $10,000, what is the neurotransmitter of the peripheral or parasympathetic nervous system?
Oh, I didn't forget this one, Sadie. It's D, acetylcholine. Final answer.
You're on a roll. Next to the next question for $20,000. In the PSNS, the receptor for the preganglionic neuron is blank, and the receptor for the postganglionic neuron is blank.
Well, I know the preganglionic neuron goes to the nicotinic receptor. I believe the postganglionic is the muscarinic. A, nicotinic muscarinic. Final answer.
Congratulations, Katie. Now to the next question. $50,000. Which system functions include energy conservation and storage, decreasing cardiac activity, facilitating digestion, increasing secretions in the lung, eyes, and mouth, control of convexity of the lens in the eye, constriction of the pupil, control of the bowel and bladder, and sexual organ function?
Well, they nicknamed this system the rest and digest system. It's A, the parasympathetic nervous system. Final answer.
You really know your stuff. Now to the next question for $75,000. What is the unique function of the PSNS?
Well, I know the parasympathetic nervous system and the sympathetic nervous system both have unique functions, but I always get them backwards. I'm going to call my friend Janice.
Okay, our friends at AT&T are connecting you to Janice now.
Hello? Oh, hi, Katie. What? You're on Who Wants to Be a Millionaire? Oh, my goodness. Okay, what's the question? Convexity of lens. That sounds pretty correct. I think you're going to have to go with A, the convexity of the lenses.
Well, I think Janice sounds correct. I'm going to go with A, increasing convexity of the lens. Final answer.
Well, I'm glad you have such a great friend, and she's a smart one. Keep her around. Good job, Katie. Now to the next question. $100,000. In the autonomic nervous system, how many neurons go from the central nervous system to the target?
I think that would be B, 2. Final answer.
You're right on, Katie. Now to the $500,000 question. What are the names or name of the neurons specific to the PSNS?
Well, we just learned there's 2 neurons, so it can't be C. I think I'm going to go with D. Preganglionic, postganglionic. Final answer.
You really know your parasympathetic nervous system. Good job, Katie. Now, 2 more questions away from $1 million. For $750,000, an injury in the blank of the PSNS impairs the cranial nerve nuclei and interfere with heart rate control, blood pressure, and respiration.
Well, I'm kind of nervous here. I think my sympathetic nervous system is taking over. But that answer is B, brainstem. Final answer.
You're one step closer to being a millionaire. 1 more question. Signs and symptoms such as fainting, bowel and bladder problems, and issues with body temperature indicate a PSNS injury/lesion located in the...
Didn't believe I'd get here, Sadie, but the answer is A, sacrospinal cord. Final answer.